Okay. Will you start? Let's find out. Still alive. Still alive. It says visit workshop. That's because these cars come with the aromatic airbag suspension. And when you have aromatic suspension on these older Mercedes, over like 10, 15 years old, if the car is that old, you can expect some leaks from your airbags. So the best thing to do is to delete that system and just replace it with the typical shock and strut replacement. Then you won't have any more airbag problems. This car rides amazing. You won't be able to raise it up or use any of the electronic dampening though when you delete the airbags. That's the only downside. But it rides amazing how it is. I love it. So comfort, sport. Let it warm up. It's right there. Just press the shifter on the button on the shifter and your foot on the brake. That's how it sounds stock. You hear how it sounds stock. It's very quiet. You hear more of the fan shroud noise. Get it lifted up on the rack and see what we're gonna do. We need to order a transmission dipstick. The valve cover gaskets look okay. Need to glue the oil cap back on this. Need to take it off, clean off all the excess oil, get it dry, put some glue on there, glue the cap back on.
Yes, possible water.
Need to get rid of resonator, get rid of the mufflers. that's all the testing we'll be able to do on the Mercedes today. Quick little revs you heard from the shop, and then driving it with the camera. I didn't want to push it too hard, and I didn't want to test any longer because when we pulled up the rear seat, we found that the sending unit on the passenger, no, not the passenger side, the fuel sending unit, it has two of them. So the one on the driver's side was leaking from the top of the seal, so we have to replace the entire fuel sending unit on the driver's side. Should have that part tomorrow, so I'll get the fuel pump, not the fuel pump, the fuel sending unit into the gas tank, get everything cleaned up and dry, and it'll be safe to drive again. We'll make some more sound clips and videos and test of the exhaust setup, and I'll do a POV raw exhaust driving video as well. So we'll have another video coming of the CLS 500. This was a pretty cool video. I got the 350Z Nismo bumper right here on the Prius, and we're taking it to the body shop to get it resprayed because my body man didn't do it correctly and he left a few things behind on the front bumper, so I need it done correctly. So now I'm taking the 350Z Nismo front bumper back to the paint and body, have it redone. Slight delay on that, slight delay on the Mercedes as well, but we'll continue, and I'll catch you guys on another video. Thanks for checking out this one on the custom exhaust setup for the CLS. So catch you guys on the next episode for the update on the CLS. When I get the sending unit replaced, we'll get some more sounds, some better sounds, and different POVs and different areas and all that good stuff. So I'll catch you guys on the next video.